Hello and welcome to Quassi's Bell Tower with your host, Quassi. And today we are going to be opening up the April RPG crate. So let's get to it. First of all, guys, here is the awesome t-shirt. It says Giant Slayer Roll for Initiative. So that's a nice shirt. So let's open up this box and see what else is in there. Okay. First, we have our card. And it is called Giant Slayer. So that is the theme for April. So we'll come back to this, make sure we got everything. So next we have a miniature from Effin' Cool Miniatures. I will put a close-up to this because this is a badass miniature. It's in two pieces, but it looks like a, I'm assuming it's probably a stone giant maybe? That's what it looks like in here, but I'll put a close-up to that so you guys can see that. Next, it looks like we got some more of those miniature player cards. It's got all the stats, the strength, dex, constitution, AC, hit points, all that. So, but we got a stack of them this time. So I don't know why we got such a big stack of them, but whatever. Maybe it's bonuses for being behind the schedule. I know they've had some issues with stuff, so they're kind of behind the schedules. So next, anyways, is Fury, Salamander, and Pasta. This is one of their recipe cards. Really nice. Here's the back. Looks like there's a quest to get the ingredients you need. And then it looks like we have another one. So we have a bonus of them. And this one is Bullworm and Mushrooms. And on there, of course, is another adventure. Okay, next it looks like we have our Adventures on the Open Road. We got 3 cards like normal. We've got this one here, The Awakening. Or Archon's Awakening. Then we have a Stone Throw Away. And then we have Giant Forge. And of course each one of them tell you what average level you have to be and everything else. So those are really nice, like always. And next we have another book from Frog God Games. And this one is called Giant Slayer. Looks like there's 2 adventures in here by 2 different artists. Okay. It's all in black and white again, so you're not going to see too much to it. Let's see. Okay, not too much at all. Here's some more artwork. You guys probably can't even see it. And then your regular pick and pluck foam in here. So let's go over what's in this. For the Giant Slayer, we got the t-shirt, the initiative trackers, which were the cards, the dragon foam, of course, the premium metal miniatures, or miniature, the adventures on the open road, all 3 of those, the recipes for the adventure, and the 2-in-1 Giant Slayer adventure book. So that's it, guys. That's everything in there. Even though they're late, and it's not their fault, I know things happen. I really like the miniature. I like they've got 2 adventure or 2 recipe cards in there. The 2 quests like normal and everything else. I'm going to give this one, I'm going to give it an A-. I think they did pretty good. So, guys, go ahead, comment, tell me what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And like always, thank you. And ring that like button like a hunchback. Until next time. Hey, I even got that done before the battery died. Nice.